Good morning, students. This is second part of chapter 8, Weather, Climate and Adaptation. Yesterday we learned about what is weather and what is climate. Now, what the things our weather depends on. These are the elements of weather. We call it elements. Let's see what are they. Elements of weather. See, first element is temperature. Temperature means sunshine. When sun rises, it gives us temperature. Temperature of a place is very important because it affects our way of living as well as the moisture carrying capacity of the air. Because if temperature is there, sun is shining, then what will happen? There will be evaporation from the air. There will be evaporation from the ocean, from the land. Transpiration is occurring. So, temperature and moisture, humidity depends on each other. The temperature changes constantly and thus is difficult to record or announce. We cannot announce immediately. We have to announce immediately because temperature is constantly changing. Temperature of a day is determined by the maximum temperature that is recorded probably at noon, means at 12 o'clock, and the minimum temperature somewhere at dawn. Dawn means in the evening. This is measured with the help of a special thermometer that is called maximum minimum thermometer. Its name is itself maximum minimum thermometer, which tells us the today's maximum temperature and today's minimum temperature. Okay. Second element is humidity. We know it depends on temperature. It is the amount of water vapor in the air. I told you earlier, it is important because it determines the amount of rainfall and thus vegetation of a place. It is important because it determines the amount of rainfall. Humidity means water vapor present in the air. This air becomes hotter when sun rises. And hotter air becomes lighter and goes up and up and up in the sky. There they condense because of the cold, because their temperature is decreasing. So that decreasing temperature, there these water vapor condense and becomes cloud. And again, when it becomes, when clouds become heavier, then it comes as a rain, which is also called precipitation, or you should know. So, hygrometer is the instrument that is used to measure the humidity of a place. Humidity is measured by hygrometer, remember. Next is precipitation. Precipitation means rainfall or rain. Precipitation is the sum total of rainfall, snowfall, sleet, even the dew and mist. Rainfall, snowfall, sleet means ola with rain, hails with rain. It is called sleet. Dew means os, and mist. Mist is found in the winter morning when you can't see very clear at that time. Mist of the place. It helps in replenishing groundwater with a particular habitat. All these things, they replenish means फिर से वापस आ जाता है एज ए ग्राउंड वाटर ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर हैबिट. It fills जो भी खाली हो जाता है that is filled up with rainfall, snowfall, sleet or dew or mist. Rain gauge, an instrument used to measure precipitation or rainfall. Remember, hygrometer humidity, rain gauge rain को measure करता है. Now there is an activity. Observe precipitation means rain and understand the factors. Here you will see how clouds form and rains form. Material required: glass jar, trough of water. Trough means a jar of water. एक बर्तन. You can say jar. Burner to heat. Plastic packet, ice cubes and rubber band. Bring the trough of water to boil on the burner. एक जार में पानी लेकर और फिर आपको you have to boil on the burner. Now quickly but carefully pour it in the jar with the teacher's help. Fix the plastic bag at the mouth of the jar with a rubber band. See, the vapor should not escape. बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए. Put ice on the plastic on top and again immediately put some ice. What happens? The foggy area, glass jar, first of all filled with foggy area, foggy type. You notice on the jar in the beginning signify the formation of cloud. Signify the formation of cloud. That foggy things resembles as cloud. In the end of the droplets that come down are similar to the rain. And after some time, because we have put ice cubes on the plastic, it is very cold, so it condense water vapor, and this water vapor comes down in inside the jar that resembles as rain. You will notice the difference in temperature of the boiling water and upper portion of jar. There is a much difference between the boiling water and upper portion of the jar because there is less heat. And upper portion of the jar aids in formation of precipitation, and that's why rain is forming here in water droplets, you can say, that resembles just like rain. Here is important thing. Higher temperature of a place similarly help in the more evaporation, which eventually increases the rate of precipitation. This effect could be heightened by the presence of high mountains which force humid air to rise up, cool and eventually come down as rain. जितना टेम्परेचर होगा उतना ज़्यादा वो जो एयर है वो ऊपर जाएगा. There condensation occurs and these water vapor converts into tiny droplets of water, that is cloud. These we can see in high mountains or in plains also, and which force humid air to rise up, cool and then come down as a rain. Hope you understood. Fourth one is sunshine. Sunshine is very important. Sunshine determines the temperature and thus governs the weather of a particular place. The rate of photosynthesis also depends on sunshine, regulated by temperature and period along which plant of a particular area are exposed to the sun. Means, in short, photosynthesis occurs, with the help of sun heat or sunrise or solar energy. You will see all major formats of weather report include the time of sunrise and sunset. Okay. Next is, fifth one is wind movement. Wind movement is very important. It causes sea breeze and land bridge. Wind movement is an important factor in regulating precipitation and temperature of a place. Wind direction is shown by the weather clock. Wind direction is shown by weather clock, and wind speed is measured by anemometer. This is for anemometer is for speed, and weather clock is for direction. Okay, this is maximum minimum thermometer, and here hygrometer, which measures humidity, and rain gauge, it measures rain. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much.